Winter colic in perde, winter colic in horses, guys, it's really important to have a good look out to see and to know if my horse is colicking, when my horse is colicking, and what to do if my horse colics. So the signs and symptoms of your horse colicking: some horses stop eating, some horses lie down, they start to roll, they look at their tummy. Mostly that's the biggest sign. The horse keeps on looking at his tummy like he's trying to tell you something is not right there. So, and they can roll and they can paw and they can be really, really painful and irritated. You'll see they are very anxious and they're not feeling well because of the pain in their tummy. It's very, very, very important to attend to your horse as soon as possible if you suspect that your horse has colic. Dis baie belangrik om na jou perde te kyk as jy vermoed jou perde het koliek en jou veearts dadelik te kontak. So wat ons doen, wat ons voorstel is jy kan ozone gel gee, 60 ml ozone gel vir 'n groot perd en die Echo Colic om daai maag aan die gang te hou en daai perd te help totdat die veearts by jou kan uitkom. Baie belangrik, stap jou perd, walk your horses, guys, because this makes the metabolism move. I know they're in pain. Jy moet hulle laat beweeg sodat die maag aan die gang kan bly. And then another thing, please take all food away from them. They're allowed to drink water, but they're not allowed to eat. Please take all concentrate, all grass away from the horse that you suspect is colicking until the vet arrives to come and assess the horse. Dit is baie, baie belangrik. So, daar's 'n paar goed wat julle kan doen, maar moenie rondspeel met koliek nie. Julle impaction colic can turn very ugly. So many other things can happen. The gut can twist, and then it means death for them. We know so many horses. We personally have lost a horse to peritonitis as well, so we know what it is. He unfortunately couldn't be helped because he started showing some symptoms an hour before he died. So he was a completely different case, but this is really a horrible situation. We've helped so many clients that have dealt with this. So baie belangrik asseblief julle om te kyk as my perd koliek wat om te doen. En dan wil ek ook vir jou nog 'n ding by sê. If the vet has been out to see your horse, and tubed your horse and the horse's tummy has gone again, very important to not give your horse concentrate for at least 24 hours and to give your horse wet soaked grass. That's the only thing you can give them, otherwise you can cause impaction again. To make 100% sure, I usually take about 48 hours to make 100% sure that the tummy is going good before I add any feed to the horses, before I give the horses any other feed to eat. I will give them soaked grass. And if I do give them concentrates, I give them tiny hands full of it and I put Epsom salt and oil in to make sure that the tummy is going and the tummy is running. In that case, you rather want a little bit of loose manure before you want an impaction or a blockage or anything. So guys, hierdie is ongelooflik belangrik. Save hierdie video, deel dit met ander sodat hulle weet winter en koliek wat om te doen, hoe vinnig ons moet reageer en wat die simptome is van koliek by perde. Asseblief, en as jy hulp of raad nodig het, laat weet ons, stuur vir ons 'n WhatsApp of bel ons, dat ons die pad saam met julle kan stap en julle kan help en julle mooi raad en advies kan gee, want is nogal 'n stresvolle tyd.